beautiful, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zosha Allah, if you didn't fucking know. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys, first of all, we have a roach that I'm going to be burning down with you guys, and then I am going to be showing you this new unit that I just got. I've been wearing this one for a while and I'm quite tired of it. It's getting a little bit tangly, you know, even though I like the kind of wild look, but yeah guys, so let's show you the one I got. So this is my package. It just came in the mail from Amazon. I've been waiting like a week for it. This is, you guys know what, you guys know what's in this bottle if you watched my last unboxing video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I hope all you guys are doing well. I'm super excited to open this unit, as I always am with new units. So I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what I got. I'm gonna read it. Let's see. So let me just read my order off my phone. So I'm just checking my orders. So I got this one right here. So this is the picture, if you guys see it. Okay, let me just show you the picture. And yeah, it is from a company called Beautier Store. Okay, I'm going to put it across the screen so you guys see the spelling. But this is a lace front human hair wigs, 13x4 lace frontal wigs with baby hair, water wave human hair wigs for black women. 150 density, natural color, 22 inches. Okay. So that's what we got. That is, you know, the unit. So let's see how it looks, okay? So I'm just gonna open the package up. You guys already know. Okay, so this is what comes in the bag. Don't need that one. So the little gold bag is so cute. It's so original because you always see pink, which I love pink, but it's, you know, it's nice and refreshing to see another color. So this is natural color, 22-inch lace front hair, human hair wigs. You know, it just has 22-inch here on the sticker. So upon opening, let's see what they have inside the bag. Okay, so disappointed, no extra goodies. Oh, I spoke too soon. So wait a second, here we go. So this is the bag. Okay, very good quality little satin bag for you to keep your unit in when you're not using it. So we'll set it on the side. I do wash my bags also. So they sent a pair of lashes. These are super cute. I'm definitely gonna wear those. They're not like the super cheapy ones. They're cute. Okay. So, and then, so yeah guys, then we have this stocking cap, which matches my skin tone perfectly, which I'm super happy about because it's hard for me to find like this exact color. But yeah, and then we have like this hair care maintenance tips with this beautiful girl. I think I've seen her on the internet. I don't remember her name, but she's super beautiful. If you guys know who she is, just like tag her name in the bottom below. And then they have, you know, step 1, step 2, step 3 all in here, which is all fun to read at your own leisure. And then they also have so yeah guys, the part that we've all been waiting for is the unit. So this is 22 inches, okay, which from looking at it in the bag, it looks like true to length, and I'm already loving the fucking curl pattern. Like, I'm in love with it. Like, let's see. So then we take it right out of the bag. Okay, I'm just gonna set this here on the floor. And I'm just gonna give this a spritz with some Florida water. Okay, this is what is in the bottle. Okay. So now this also Okay, so this is it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the net off of the unit. Okay, and this is what, wow, this is long for 22 inches. I'm really impressed by the length, like the book. I was thinking that since it was gonna be, you know, curly slash wavy hair, they would try to like really jip the inches, but I am super happy with this right now. I cannot wait to like wash it with you guys and wet it. I'm gonna dye it jet black, of course, I think, but I'll see. But I'm in love with it. The curl pattern is super beautiful. Look at the. So this is the hairline. So yeah, this is what the hairline looks like. This is from ear to ear lace. The hairline, it looks beautiful. I love the hairline. It's really, like really nice. It looks very natural. Okay, this is very nice. Okay, the hair does not have a smell. No, it smells like a factory. Yeah, it smells like no smell. It just smells like factory, I guess, or whatever. But I do not put the units on my head before washing them. I think that's nasty. But let me show you guys the lace. You know, like I have to wash it before I put it on top of my crown. I have to make sure like it's sanitized and everything. So that's a beautiful lace. You know, that's a 13 by 4, which is true to thing, because now some of them nowadays come with like half of this right here at the temple area, and that's just not enough. But this will give you a beautiful parting space. I cannot wait to try this on. What I'm gonna do right now is just wet the hair with some water so you guys can see what it looks like without me adding any product. But let's wet the hair. So yeah, girl, this is what the hair looks like wet. Let me show you. So it's giving nice and juicy color. Okay. It's giving really pretty juicy colors. Like I can't wait to wash it and apply the unit on, but that's the curl pattern natural straight out of the box. This side has a little bump on it. But yeah, I think it's a beautiful wig, and I give it a 10 out of 10. The price, I will put the price either here or in the bottom of the description below, but I think it's a beautiful hair, and I would say that it's probably longer than 50 length, which is appreciated. But for them to be honest with the length is just like really awesome, because yeah, you don't want to be cheated for by your length, especially when you get you know, these units and stuff. Should we do a little part so you guys see the lace? You know, and I'm gonna wash this and then apply it in my next video. But the lace is very nice. It's very pretty. The hair is very pretty. It's very soft. So yeah, girl, that is the lace parting and everything. That's about as far as it goes back. And you have a strap right here. So I would say that is about 4 inches, you know, give or take. But yeah, this is what she looks like. And again, girl, this is 22 inches. So anyways, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.